Hello, my name is Mindy Fear and I'm the principal here at Dean Elementary. We want to officially welcome all of our students and families. We are so excited to have you be a part of this amazing Dean community. We look forward to partnering with you this school year. It is so important that we be partners in your child's education. A strong family-school partnership will help us improve both academic and behavioral outcomes for our students. Communication is also very important to us here at Dean. Classroom teachers want to have consistent communication with you so that you're aware of how your child is doing in school. We will also want to make sure that you are aware of upcoming events and activities going on at school. Every Friday, we will send both a phone message and an email around 4 o'clock in the afternoon, ensuring that you know what is coming up for the following week. In addition to this phone message and email, we will communicate with you through our Facebook page, website, Twitter account, and Dean app. So be sure to like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and download our app. Dean is unique. In Jeffco, schools that have higher than 65% of students approved for free lunch qualify for Title I status. This status gives us additional funding. We use this funding to help the above factors pay for 2 classroom teachers and 1 reading support teacher, 1 instructional paraprofessional and 1 technology support paraprofessional, meals for our family events, and technology such as our one-to-one iPads. 88% of our students qualify for free or reduced lunch. So if you haven't yet, please fill out the free and reduced lunch application online. In order to provide your child with the best education, we need them to be here at school and to be here on time. School attendance is so important, and we need your support in ensuring that your child is at school each and every day and that they are on time. Our doors open in the morning at 7:30, the first bell rings at 7:45, and the second bell, the tardy bell, rings at 7:55. If your child is late, they must check in at the office. We also want to make sure that we are being safe in the mornings, before and after school when dropping off and picking up your students. Please use the crosswalk when crossing Harlan Street. This is the safest way to get across this busy street. Also, when dropping off or picking up students in the Hug and Go, you need to make sure to do this from the right lane. We cannot have students getting in or out on the left side and risk being hit by a car. Finally, we want to remind you of the City of Lakewood street signs. Please abide by these signs. The Lakewood Police will be out enforcing these laws and will also help to keep our students safe. Have you heard of Safe to Tell? Safe to Tell Colorado is an anonymous way for students, parents, and community members to report unsafe and risky behaviors before they grow out of control. Each year, Safe to Tell receives thousands of reports on bullying, cyberbullying, suicide threats, mental health concerns, child abuse, substance abuse, violence, planned school attacks, and other concerning behaviors. Each concern reported to Safe to Tell allows for caring, concerned adults to effectively intervene in the life of a child or youth who is struggling. Due to changes in federal rules, school districts must have standards for foods provided, not sold, to students. In order to accommodate food allergies and equity, Jefferson County has created new standards. During our holiday parties, we must be sure to have at least half of the food that we bring in for students be healthier options. For example, fruits, vegetables, meats, and cheeses would be healthier options for our students. Also, we are no longer allowed to bring in shared food for students on their birthdays. There are too many risks with food allergies and other health concerns. I know that this is not what we have done in the past, but it is now a federal rule, so we must abide. If you have any questions regarding these new policies, please contact the front office. On Fridays, we like to show our Dean spirit by wearing our Dean School shirts or our Dean School colors, which are blue and white. PTO will also be selling spirit wear throughout the school year. Speaking of PTO, Dean has an amazing, dedicated PTO, and we would like to officially invite you to come to any or all of our meetings. The meetings are all listed on the family calendar that was sent home at registration or on the Dean Magnet. Our first PTO meeting is September 6th at 3 o'clock in the library. Please consider participating in the PTO fundraisers. The money that is raised from these fundraisers goes directly to our school. Some of the funds have been used for backpacks, field trips, technology, treats for special events and parties, field day t-shirts, yearbooks, Teacher Appreciation Week, and many, many more. We are excited to continue our second cup of coffee events. Our first coffee will be on Friday, October 5th. This event is open to everyone. After you drop off your students for school, you can head down to the library and enjoy some breakfast treats and coffee. This is a great time for us to get to know one another and for you to ask questions and voice your compliments and concerns. Please join us if you can make it. The dates are also on our school magnet. Finally, we would like to thank you so much for sharing your children with us each and every day. We look forward to a wonderful school year.